Hi viewers, today we're looking at the octet length function, which is the same as length function, which counts the number of characters in a text value. So first of all, we enter select. Actually, let's use the city table. So say use world database and select. Before we enter columns, we're going to say from city as C semicolon. Then we're going to go up here by select and enter the alias C dot. It's going to give us a prompt. So first we're going to enter the country code, and then we're going to do the function now for octet length. So control space and page down to find octet length. Tab on that. Then within that we're going to enter C dot again to give us a list. Just want to find the length of oops, that back in there, bracket. Oh, okay, so we want to find the length of name, which is a city name. Close that in brackets and run that. So you can see we've got the country code and the reports results at the bottom. We've got the country code on the left, and on the right we've got the city length of characters. So in front of octet length, we're going to enter C dot name without the function, dot comma in, and run that again so you can see the city name alongside it. You can see for Kabul it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters, and the octet length has come out as 5, and so on. And that's the octet length function within the MySQL workbench.